Your neighbor spreads lies about you cheating on your spouse. No celebrities involved, no government corruption, just private gossip destroying your personal life. You can sue for defamation and suddenly you're in the legal sweet spot. Pure private figure cases where the law actually protects your reputation. This is defamation law's most plaintiff-friendly category, when both you and the subject matter are private. The First Amendment basically stays out of it. No actual malice, no public concern protection, just regular people and regular lies getting regular legal treatment. The standard is simple negligence. The defendant just has to have been careless about whether their statement was true. They don't need to know it was false or act recklessly. Just failing to check basic facts can be enough for liability. Now, this makes proving your case much, much easier. Show that a reasonable person would have investigated further, checked sources, or questioned the information, and you might win. The defendant can't hide behind, "I didn't know it was false," if they should have known. And here's the huge advantage. The defendant has to prove their statement was true. In public figure cases, you have to prove statements were false. But in pure private cases, the burden flips. The defendant has to justify their lies, not you disproving them. This burden shift is massive. Instead of you having to prove a negative, the defendant has to produce evidence supporting their claims. Made up a story about someone? Now you have to prove it actually happened. Presumed damages are often available, meaning you don't need to prove specific financial losses. Courts assume that false statements about private people cause automatic harm to reputation, relationships, and standing in the community. This is the opposite of public concern cases where you must prove actual injury. Here, hurt feelings, social embarrassment, and general reputation damage can be enough for monetary awards. Workplace defamation fits perfectly here. False rumors about a private employee's performance, personal life, or character spread through the office? No public figures, no matter of public concern, just workplace gossip that destroys someone's career. Neighborhood disputes create classic pure private cases. HOA drama, property line arguments, personal conflicts between neighbors. When false accusations fly, the law provides maximum protection for reputation. Social media makes pure private defamation cases easier to commit and easier to prove. Private Facebook groups spreading false rumors, group chat gossip, or even private messages that get shared, all creating written evidence of defamatory statements. Family feuds generate brutal pure private cases. False accusations about relatives' personal lives, spreading lies within extended families, private disputes that damage reputations within social circles. Dating and relationship drama creates modern pure private defamation. False accusations about ex-partners, revenge posts on social media, fake reviews on dating apps, all targeting private people about private matters. Small business owners benefit hugely from pure private protection. False rumors about family-run restaurants, neighborhood service providers, local contractors. These cases avoid constitutional complications and focus on basic fairness. Religious communities see these cases frequently. Church gossip about private members' personal lives, false moral accusations, congregation rumors that destroy families within faith communities. The state law advantage is significant. Without constitutional issues, states can create their own defamation standards. Some states are more protective of reputation. Others favor free speech, but the variations help plaintiffs forum shop. The bottom line, pure private figure defamation is where the law still works for ordinary people. No constitutional complications, reasonable legal standards, and realistic chances of winning when people lie about you and your private life.